Looking for a fully automatic random access analyzer? 200 is constant speed per hour? Cost-effective solution? Accurate analysis? The answer for what you're looking is CoralysersMart. Tulip Diagnostics, with vast experience of more than 32 years and after the success of the Coralyzer brand, brings the much-awaited smart solution for diagnostic labs across India, the CoralysersMart. CoralysersMart, a smart random access analyzer, is fully automated with minimum manual interventions, enabling it to continuously load samples, thereby consuming less time for more throughput without any errors. The efficient onboard washing system effectively cleans the reaction cuvettes, reaction probe and mixer, ensuring reduced carryover and improving accuracy of results. CoralysersMart is equipped to handle multiple chemistries loaded at a time and deliver the reports of different chemistry or turbidimetry results at the same time. CoralysersMart can deliver up to 200 test results in an hour, making it efficient and convenient to use for various test profiles. The CoralysersMart can work on both methodologies, colorimetric as well as turbidimetric, thus avoiding use of another dedicated analyzer for turbidimetric tests. The sample unit consists of sample tray designed to accommodate 40 samples at a time with all positions available with stat function. The samples can be freely introduced at any time, at any location. The primary tube can be placed in the instrument directly after centrifugation, or sample cups can be used based on the convenience of the customer. The sample volume required for each test ranges from 2 to 30 microliter, thus reducing the sample quantity required. The reagent unit comprises of reagent tray capable of holding 40 barcoded system pack reagent bottles. Reagent probe is equipped with liquid sensor and surface detection, which monitors and checks the volume of the reagent available and the approximate number of tests the user can perform. The reaction unit comes with a reaction tray comprising of 44 reaction cuvettes made of quality amorphous material with perfect transmittance, which deliver precise results due to excellent cuvettes transparency. The sampling probe is designed to aspirate a minimum reaction volume of 150 microliter to 330 microliter per test, thus resulting in cost saving. An efficient Peltier pad refrigeration system is used to maintain a constant reagent temperature of around 8 degrees Celsius to 10 degrees Celsius to improve onboard stability of reagents and accuracy of results. The mixing system is paddle type with Teflon coating to mix the sample and reagent effectively. Dedicated mixer washing helps in no contamination of sample and reagent mixture. The CoralysersMart comes with dedicated system pack reagents designed specifically for CoralysersMart. The maintenance solution kit comprising of the surfactant, cleaning solution and washing solution helps in cleaning and reducing carryover brought about due to buildup of proteins and latex particles. The light source used is halogen lamp for longer life. The lamp is easily accessible and can be replaced with ease without opening the instrument hardware. All the routine chemistry and turbidimetry tests can be performed with 8 wavelengths, 340 to 700 nanometer. The friendly software application comes with easy-to-use navigation and dashboard. With a single command, the parameters can be automatically calibrated and controls and samples can be run. Single click allows you to run various tests and profiles. All operations being performed in the instrument can be monitored on the dashboard. Huge storage space for storing and retrieving of patient and control data. Service and application support from the best. CoralysersMart, the smart solution for your lab.